Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And right now, if you're looking for a simple way to schedule your Zoom meetings, you're in the right place. So in today's video I will show you how to use the Zoom scheduler. So either you're new to Zoom or just need a refresher, we'll cover everything from setting up your first meeting to customizing your scheduling preferences. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is you need to log into your Zoom account. You can do this on your desktop app or through a web browser. So go to zoom.us and enter your credentials to sign in. So as you can see here, right after that one is once you're logged in, go to this section wherein you will be able to see this icon, the schedule on the right side. So as you can see here, tap on this one. So if you're using the Zoom app, click on schedule from the home screen, and this is where you can create a new meeting. So here now let's go through setting up a new meeting. You'll see several options here. First one is the topic. So here, give your meeting a name. So for example, to that is the final meeting or like team meeting or client consultation. Right after that one is you can also add your description. This is optional, but you can use it to add more details about the meeting, like agenda or what is the purpose of your meeting. For example, to that is I'm gonna be typing here. So here, finalization of the party. So you can just add it, guys. So this is just an optional. So here is the when. So here, guys, is you can choose the date and time for your meeting. So this website will automatically adjust for your time zone, but double check if you have guests in the other location. Then right after that one is the duration, guys. So as you can see here, you can set how long the meeting will last. So Zoom allows you to set up to 24 hours for a meeting duration. So however, guys, if you're just a free plan, so the limitation of the meeting, it can only support 40 minutes per meeting. So if you need more time, you can upgrade it, guys. So if your meeting goes beyond that in 24 hours, no worries, you can always start a new one. So here on the time zone, so as you can see here, because I am using the free plan, so I am going to set it for a 40 minutes, guys. So I'm gonna type 40 minutes and head over to the time zone. Make sure the correct time zone is selected to avoid any confusion. So especially if you're dealing with international clients or team members. And then here you can see here recurring meeting. So either that you can check that one or not. And then here the attendees, guys. You can add at least 3 characters, guys. So audit attendees will have access to the meeting group chat before and after the meeting. So for example, to that one is I'm gonna be choosing a 3 example email, guys. So here is the second one. So this is just an example, guys. So depending on you guys. And the third one is this. So right after this one is we'll go over some additional meeting settings that can really make a difference. So here I'm struggling here. So this is the last character, guys, for us to have and complete the 3 characters that is required. So here I'm just gonna tap on this one. And then here, guys, now let's go over here. So here you can see here you can on that one or turn off that one. Here below this one, guys, is you can see here the meeting ID. Here you have the option to generate a random meeting ID or you can use your personal meeting ID. I recommend using a random ID for one-time meetings. But if you're hosting recurring meetings, the personal meeting ID might be more convenient. And then here in the template, guys, you can choose a template here. So if you have a personal template, you can choose that one. If you don't have one, just tap on that none. So here on the whiteboard, guys, so you will be able to see here you can decide what kind of whiteboard you want, guys. So here, guys, we have there. So here is the recent, your whiteboards, the whiteboards that's shared with you, or you can also choose here the templates, guys. So here you can choose here again table, vertical timelines, horizontal timelines. Here is the 30-60 day plan lines. So depending on you guys, depending on your liking, and depending on the meeting, you guys. For example, that is in your meeting, you need to use a chart, and in here, you can use some templates here. So right after this one is you will be directed to the other options here. So you can also reload that one, guys, and then after you choose your whiteboard, you just need to click exit here. So here, I'm gonna use that one. So here, guys, you can also choose a category of your templates here on the left side. So here, icebreaker. And here, after that one is the next part is a document. You can also add documents here, guys. So for example, that is on your meeting, you will be presenting a document here. And then here, you can add a document here. In the security, guys, in the password, this adds an extra layer of security. So if you check this box, a passcode will be required to join the meeting. So here, you can also customize the passcode if you like. So only users who have the invite link or passcode can join the meeting. So here you can also see here, waiting room. So only users admitted by the host can join the meeting. In the video part, guys, you can also turn on or off the host. And the last one, guys, in this part, in the options, you can allow participants to join anytime, mute participants upon entry, and you can also see here, automatically record meeting on the local computer, or approve or block entry to users from specific regions. And if this meeting is something you plan to do regularly, you can also Zoom make it easy to set up recurring meetings. And then once you've set everything up, guys, you can add a meeting to your calendar by choosing from options like Google Calendar, Outlook. So here, tap on that save. Then you will be able to see here your meeting. So here you can see that one. And here now let's talk about how to send out the invitation. So once your meeting is scheduled, Zoom will generate a unique meeting link. You can copy this link and send it via email, messenger, or text. And it's always a good idea to test everything before the actual meeting, guys. But there you have it. That's everything you need to know about using this website, the Zoom scheduler, to set up and manage your Zoom meetings. So you're all set to go. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.